Hi and welcome to my channel. I've been asked to create a video and to share the outfit ideas for a date night, which is actually my favorite type of outfit. I hope that you will like my video. The first shirt that I'm wearing is by Victoria Beckham, and I absolutely love this shirt. I think this exact shirt is unfortunately sold out now, but I actually found some alternatives and I will add the links below. As this shirt is not very tight, it's a little bit loose, oversized, I would wear skinny trousers, just like what I'm wearing now, and I would also wear high heels with it. I usually wear this shirt with my Roger Vivier shoes and of course my Chanel flap. I would usually put the straps inside because I don't like to wear it on my shoulder together with the shirt. It just looks so much better when I tuck it in and carry it in my hands. Chanel flaps are so versatile. That's why I love them so much. Moving on to the next look. The next dress I ordered from Zara is brand new. I still have the tags for this dress behind. I've just purchased it and I'm so pleased with it. I love the tassels coming out. It's so cute. However, I need to tell you that I need to wear this dress with a sleeve inside because it's a little bit see-through. I paired this dress with my Chanel small in caviar with gold hardware, and I love the combination of black and gold. It's my favorite type of outfits for the date night, a black dress and my small Chanel flap with gold hardware, the best ever. I would wear this outfit with high heels, and if you live in a colder country, right now it's a winter time, so I would wear it with ankle boots. I have to say I love the way this dress looks with black tights. It looks pretty good. One more thing, this dress has a long slit at the back. I think I would have to close it up. I'm not really comfortable with this, but my seamstress can fix it. It's not gonna be expensive to fix this as well, so it's not a problem. I will add the links to all the ankle boots that I found, and I like to wear ankle boots that are a little bit wider. They actually make your legs look even slimmer. And this dress is also from Zara. Actually, in real life, it looks black. I don't know why it looks brown on my phone in the bright daylight. But anyway, I still love it. I'm so keeping this one. And I could wear it with my Gucci belt. And I could wear it with my favorite Gucci loafers or Gucci Princetowns. However, in a colder climate, I would wear small ankle boots like these ones with a cute chain or these ones with a big zip. I love chunky heels. Zara always has such cute items. I always find so many cute designs for myself. The next dress is tight figure hugging and I love it. I don't think this dress is available now, but I'll try to find some alternatives. And next dress is also from Zara and I wish there was a button here. I find this one a little bit too deep, but I like it so much, so I'm willing to bring it to my seamstress and ask her to fix it. It's not gonna cost much, but yeah, it's a cute dress. I like to wear it with my small flap and I really love these gold buttons. This particular outfit I would wear to cinema or on a casual date night, and as you can see, actually I could move this button to the top. I would like to open it up at the bottom a little bit more, and yeah, it's a cute dress. And I could also pair it with some running shoes. I saw such cute shoes in Chanel. They are so beautiful, but of course when I came to shop they didn't have my size, and like they never have my size, but I managed to find a really awesome alternative in Zara, and I will add the link to this as well. You can see they look quite similar, and you can change the laces. You can put white laces if you're bored of it. I really love this ones. They look perfect with this dress. The next dress is from BCBG. I actually just recently purchased it. It still has a tag. I think out of all the purchases, this dress is by far is the best. It's my favorite, absolutely favorite dress. It's so beautiful. I will add the video of me trying this dress on in the store. I was wearing my mango sock boots that I love, and I really think that these boots look amazing with this dress. I love everything about this dress, the color, the fabrics. It's so beautiful. If you want, you can actually wear it with a leather jacket. I would also wear it with my beige Chanel flap and my Chanel sling bags. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed my video, and please feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Bye!